So we have this question on circle. The diagram above shows a circle with center O is the center, radius 5 centimeters, OB, OA are the radius. Then two tangents TA and TB and of length, each of length 8 centimeters. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number angle AOB, that is the I part. So this is angle AOB, this angle marked here. Now if we draw a line, straight line from here to T, this straight line divides quadrilateral AOBT into two congruent triangles, of course right angle triangles, because this is a 90 degrees angle. Then this angle over here will be half of angle AOB, because the line divides the triangle into two congruent parts. So this will be half of angle AOB. So we can now take the tangent of this angle, because we know the opposite side and we know the adjacent. So tangent of angle AOB, that is half of AOB, will be equal to opposite over adjacent. Remember the trig ratios, so catua. So now the tan of this angle, we substitute 8 over 5, and that's, we need to proceed by taking the tan inverse of both sides. So tan inverse of this angle 8 over 5, using your calculator you obtain 57.99 degrees. So angle AOB over 2 equal this. Multiply both sides by 2 to get angle AOB equal 2 times 57.99. So this in degrees, this in degrees. Now we multiply by this 2 to get 115.98 degrees. But the question demands that we leave the answer to the nearest whole number. So we round this to the nearest whole number, add 1 to 5, because 9 is more than or equal to 5. And that will give us 116 degrees. So therefore angle AOB is 116 degrees. Now let us see. The B part says that the length of arc APB, this minor arc. So we know the length of a minor arc AOB is given by theta, is the central angle over here, over 360 degrees times 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the circle. So we need to substitute the values. I'm substituting this for theta in order to reduce the error that may come as a result of approximation. Then substitute the values. 2 is already here, that is 5 centimeters, and 3.142 for pi. So do the substitution, then now this evaluate to 0.322 times 31.42, because this is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Move this one forward once. Now when you multiply this, you get 10.122 centimeters. But we need to correct it to the nearest whole number, which is 10 centimeters. Now the third part of the question says that the area of the shaded region. So this shaded region over here, we need to find the area of that region. We know to do that, we need to find the area of the kite, then find the area of the sector, then we subtract the area of the sector, the area of the kite. So in finding this area of the kite, we need to be smart. We can divide the kite into two equal parts, because we were not given a diagonal, so it is better to use the given dimensions. So we need to divide this into two parts, two triangles. The kite is made of two triangles, or if you want 4 triangles. But let's take it by 2, because that will help us find the area so quick or faster. So you have two options. Either you divide it this way, either divide it this way, an upper triangle and a down one. With that one, you are now coming to calculate the height, which will delay you. The height which will delay you. Then we have another option. You divide it this way to two triangles. Over here you have this. This is already a right angled triangle. So you know the dimensions already, this and this. So you find the area for one and multiply by 2 to get the area of the kite. So this is what we are saying. The area of the shaded region is equal to area of kite minus area of sector. So we need to substitute. We need to remember the formula for the area of this triangle, which is half BH, and multiply by 2. So half BH multiplied by 2. Then we also know that the area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r square, which is the area of the circle. Now this cancels this and we are left with BH. So now let's substitute BH, 8 by 5, to get, and any of them can be the base or height because it's a right angle triangle. So we substitute to get this, and we substitute these values also for theta. So like we did, this is the radius 5 squared, and we evaluate. Let's evaluate to get 40 for this and 25.31 for this, and we subtract to get 14.69 centimeters. But don't forget that you have to make the demand of the question correct to the nearest whole number. That will give you 15 centimeters squared. That is the area of the shaded region. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to my second channel, which helps you learn more about ICT. And the name of my second channel is this, Tutor Francis. So you can simply search this on YouTube. Then you can click the subscribe button. You have a lot to learn over there. Tutor Francis, about ICT and computer technology. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Now if you can still see this red thing here, it means you have not yet subscribed. So you just have to click it so that the next upload, see it is still red. You have to click it so that if I upload the next video, you'll be informed. Click the bell icon too so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.